is our multiviewer. The 4 computers. The keyboard, mouse is very small. Connected to the multiviewer. This is from the mouse. I can plug in the keyboard. Okay, we will switch the model through the hotkeys. Okay. 1 picture. 2, 3, 4. Now it's under the code view mode. You will find the mouse can roam through the 4 pictures. You will find now in the first screen, to the second one, to the third one, the fourth. Okay, now we will press the hotkey to knock the mouse. Okay, where's the mouse? The first one. Okay, only can move on this single picture. Can't move to anyone. Press the hotkey to unlock the mouse. Now the mouse can roam through the 4 pictures. It's a 4K60 multiviewer support and a 4K60 output. Now it's 4K60.